Yeah. I just bought me some Popeyes. Finally, I just bought me some Popeyes. The reason why I buy the Popeyes, because of the rice. I want to see if they can cook better than us though. This is our food. That's the way they cook in Haiti. I'm Haitian. That's the way they cook in my country. I know the chicken probably better than our chicken, but the rice, they cannot beat us in the rice. We're the best in the Caribbean. You know what I mean? This is our food right here, bro. That's not American food. This is our food. Rice and beans. Sauce pois de riz. This is our stuff right here, bro. It's not all that, bro. But still, I still like it, bro. Tastes good, but I know Haitian can do it better. Wow. Wow. I like that chicken. That chicken is one of the best chicken ever. Wow. Look at that. So crunchy. Look at that piece. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that piece. Some of it. Wow. That is the best chicken ever, yo. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Guys. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. Look at that one. I love the chicken. A little bit salty though. Still tasting good, man. It's still out, just still like it. It's a little bit salty, but I still love it. I still love it, though. The taste just cake. Still, I love it. I love that chicken. Yeah. The chicken, though. Well, the rice, man. Look at that. I love it. Yeah. Look at it. Wow. 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 Man, I don't care about the biscuit. I don't care about the biscuit. All I care about the rice and the chicken. I came for the rice. Yeah, but I love the chicken though. It's just a little bit salty, but I love it.